Hey guys, have you seen Spino? No, I haven't seen him. Where is he? Yeah, where is he? It's been like 10 minutes or something like that. Yeah, well, probably has busy to do. Yeah, well, probably. Well, at least we're gonna wait like that. Yeah, at least we're gonna wait. Yeah, yeah. Ah, ah. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, hey, Spinosaurus, welcome back. Oh, hey. Hey, where have you been? Oh, well, I got something for you three. Oh, well, what is it? Yeah. Yeah, what is it? I got chicken wings. Ooh, chicken wings? Yeah, that's delicious. That looks really good. I love it. Yeah, I love it. It's really delicious. I love chicken wings. Yeah. Well, lunch is over, boys. Lunch is deserved. Yeah, chicken. Yeah. So delicious. Thanks, Spino. Yeah, you're welcome, guys. Spino, those 6 chicken wings, though, like, okay, well, yeah, 6 chicken wings. Okay, how about this? Red T-Rex and I were eating, the wings, and then you and only T-Rex can eat the drumstick one. Oh, that's a good one. Hell yeah! So good! Yum 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 yum! Yum yum! I love it. I love drumsticks. Yeah, wings good too. Yeah. Anyways, wanna dig in? Oh hell yeah! Let's go! Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's dig in. Oh my god, the chicken wings so good! Oh yep, I agree with that. Really delicious, I love chicken wings. Favorite. Yeah, favorite too. It's very delicious. So good. Oh heck yeah, chicken wings! Jeez, you okay? You okay, dude? Are you okay? Oh, he just loves chicken wings so much now. Yeah, so good. Okay, hey, Orange. Yeah. He needs some milk. Yeah, he sure does. Yeah. So good. Okay, stop. That's enough. Let's forget about it. Just let him what he wants to do. Yeah, me too. Okay, that's fair enough. So good. So edible. Hell yeah, it is so edible. It's thrashing. Okay, yeah. Anyway, so delicious too. I love the meat's good. The flour, chicken skin, so good. So good, right? Yeah, so good. I love it so much. So delicious. I love chicken so much. I love chicken so much. Okay, he's getting crazy here. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, it is crazy. Ah, man. I am a one-stop dinosaur. Yeah, me too. Right? Yeah. Hell yeah, it's delicious. Yeah, I know that. So, what should we do with these 2 wings? Anybody know what we do with it? Well, since we got 2 chicken wings left, you probably should feed and we know who. Oh, him, right? Yeah. The Giga. So, What do you think, Giga? I gotta say, it's really good. I love it. Mmm, so delicious. Damn, do we eat all that? Like eat the whole thing? Of course I can eat all of it. Like, why? What do you expect? I don't know. Well, at least we eat all the chicken wings though, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's really good. I love it. Like, really love it. So delicious. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So good, right? Yeah. Yep. Yep. Really delicious. So good. So good. I love chicken wings so much. Jeez, he loves chicken wings, isn't he? Yep, so much, 100%. Yep, me too. Jeez, big fan of it, right? So good.